Little Miss Sunshine went for a walk in the woods. And because it was a lovely hot day, she decided to go for a long walk. She walked, and she walked, and she walked. And then suddenly, the weather turned for the worse. A storm arrived with a great crash and a boom of thunder.
Oh, I'm going to get wet.
She ran through the woods looking for shelter from the rain, which she found in the form of a cottage in a clearing in the woods. She knocked at the door.
"Come in,"
said a very loud, gruff voice. The door led onto a kitchen, and sitting around the table were 3 bears. A big bear, a medium bear, and a little bear. On the table were 3 bowls of porridge. A big bowl, a medium bowl, and a little bowl.
"We're just going out for a walk while our porridge cools down," said the middle bear. "You can stay here if you keep an eye on our porridge and make sure no one eats it."
Thank you, I will,
agreed Little Miss Sunshine, and the 3 bears left.